Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to download GTA 5 for free on your PC or laptop running Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. First, open your favorite web browser and type Rockstar Games into the search bar. Click on the official Rockstar Games website from the results. On the home page, navigate to the search icon at the top right corner. Type GTAV into the search bar and press enter. GTA 5 will appear in the search results. Click on the title to access its page. From there, click on Buy Now to complete the process. Also make sure to regularly check for special promotions or giveaways that Rockstar occasionally offers for free downloads. Another reliable method is downloading through Steam. Open the Steam application or visit their website. Use the search bar to find GTAV. Select GTA 5 from the listed results. Enter your date of birth if prompted, then click View Page. Click Add to Cart, then Continue to Payment. Keep an eye out, as GTA 5 occasionally becomes available for free during special promotions, so regularly check the Steam Promotions page. That's it. You've successfully learned how to download GTA 5 for free on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more clear and easy tech tutorials.